Imagine diving beneath the waves and encountering a sight that defies logic, a waterfall, cascading downwards into the abyss. It seems impossible, a scene from a fantasy world. Yet, in certain corners of our planet, this very illusion exists, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature's grand illusions. These underwater waterfalls are not true waterfalls, of course. They are not a deluge of fresh water plunging into the ocean depths. Instead, they are a fascinating interplay of light, sediment, and ocean currents, creating a visual spectacle that leaves us questioning our own perception. These mesmerizing illusions occur where the ocean floor is dramatically sculpted, often near continental shelves or underwater plateaus. Shifting sands carried by powerful currents flow over these steep drop-offs. The result is a mesmerizing spectacle that tricks the human eye into perceiving a flowing curtain of water, a cascade seemingly defying gravity. Perhaps the most famous example of this phenomenon lies off the coast of Mauritius, a jewel of an island in the Indian Ocean. Here, at the southwestern tip of the island, lies a site that has captivated locals and tourists alike for generations, the underwater waterfall of Mauritius. Visible from the air, this underwater spectacle appears as a giant submerged waterfall, its white frothy base seemingly crashing onto an unseen seabed thousands of feet below. The illusion is so convincing that it's easy to forget you're looking at a solid seabed. The interplay of sunlight penetrating the water, the varying shades of blue as the depth increases, and the movement of the sand all contribute to the illusion. It's a visual masterpiece, painted by nature on a canvas of water and sand. To understand how this illusion works, we need to delve into the science of light and water. As sunlight enters the ocean, it is scattered and absorbed by water molecules. Different wavelengths of light penetrate to different depths, with longer wavelengths, like red, being absorbed more quickly than shorter wavelengths, like blue. This is why the ocean appears blue. It's the color that is least absorbed by water. In the case of underwater waterfalls, the depth of the water plays a crucial role in creating the illusion. As the seabed slopes downwards, the water depth increases, and the color of the water changes accordingly. This creates a gradient of color, from lighter blues in the shallower areas to darker blues in the deeper sections. The human eye, accustomed to perceiving waterfalls as a contrast of flowing water against a static background, interprets this gradient of color as a depth differential. Our brains, wired to seek patterns and meaning, fill in the gaps, creating the illusion of a cascading waterfall. Early visitors to Mauritius, unfamiliar with the nuances of underwater geography and the tricks of light, were understandably baffled by this spectacle. Some theorized the existence of giant underwater whirlpools, sucking the ocean depths into a bottomless abyss. Others imagined subterranean rivers, their freshwater currents carving out these underwater cascades. The underwater waterfall of Mauritius is not the only example of this fascinating phenomenon. Similar illusions can be found in other parts of the world, wherever the right combination of ocean currents, sediment, and seabed topography exists. These underwater waterfalls serve as a reminder of the power of perspective and the intricate ways in which our brains interpret the world around us. Beyond their visual appeal, these areas hold ecological significance. The nutrient-rich currents that create these illusions also support a diverse range of marine life. Fish, corals, and other creatures thrive in these dynamic environments, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things. In a world grappling with climate change and environmental degradation, these underwater wonderlands underscore the importance of protecting our oceans and the delicate balance of life within them. They are a testament to the boundless creativity of nature and a reminder that there is still so much left to explore and understand about our planet. Stay curious and keep exploring with Brain Bites. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of our world.